Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making honey-baked ham. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. You will need 1 spiral-cut smoked ham, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of dark corn syrup, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Place your ham in your baking dish, then cover with aluminum foil. Now transfer to your preheated oven and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Using medium heat, bring a pot to temperature. Now add your honey, corn syrup, brown sugar, and ground cloves. Now mix until all of your sugar has dissolved. Bring the liquid to a boil, then turn off the heat. After 20 minutes, generously coat your ham with your glaze, then return to the oven, basting with the glaze every 20 minutes for 1 hour. This honey-baked ham goes great on any holiday table. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made